Well, with all that has been going on this year, you just may not be able to get your tax return done in time. And it's okay, don't panic. You can extend it and you won't be penalized. Lisa Green Lewis, CPA and TurboTax expert, is here to remind us of that. No penalty to extend, correct?
So you can extend, you have to extend by the tax deadline, which the new deadline is May 17th. But one thing to point out, if you owe money, either you have to pay what you owe or you will get some penalties if you owe money.
So file the form because there is a late filing penalty. You don't want to get hit with that. So file the extension, and we'll talk about how to do that in a second. But really important that you pay the bill because there's not an extension to pay.
Right, there's not an extension to pay, but you also, as you pointed out, you want to file for the extension because there's also a failure to file penalty, which is bigger than the failure to pay penalty.
Right. And the form, so what do people need to know about filing extension? So let's just say I can't get it together. I'm not going to be able to do this. What form do I fill out?
You should fill out the form 4868 and you can e-file those forms. TurboTax makes it easy for you to file that extension and send it directly to the IRS via electronic filing instead of mailing it.
Be aware though that you still have to crunch some numbers. It's not like you just put your name and address and say I need another couple months. And in this instance, it's 5, right? Because we are extending from May 17th to October 15th. So they do still ask for some income information, don't they?
Right. You need to put in some information so you know what what taxes you owe, or if you're going to get a refund, of course, there's no penalty if you're getting a refund. But if you owe money, you'll need to know that number because the IRS, they want you to pay at least 90% of what you owe, and then you would not see a penalty.
Right. So you do have to do some calculations. It's not a total freebie, right? You got to crunch a little math here.
TurboTax, we do walk you through that process as well.
Right.
Putting in those numbers and then figuring out what the amount is.
And so, and the other thing people should check too are your states, because some states do accept the federal extension, some states do not, right?
Right. Some states, when you file your federal extension, you don't need to file anything with them. So it is a state-by-state basis. Some of them do want you to fill out an extension for the state as well.
Right. So 4868 is your federal form. You can do it online. Definitely do it by midnight on May 17th. Lisa Green Lewis, CPA and TurboTax expert. Thank you for all of this.
Thank you.